Good morning. This is Mark Soderberg with ADM Investor Services with your morning ag outlook for Tuesday, February the 27th. Markets are higher here across the board this morning. In two-sided trade overnight, corn right now is up 1 to 2. Beans seem to be leading the charge higher right now, 12 to 14 better, let's call it, and both products are higher as well. Wheat is better, up 2 to 4 in Chicago and Kansas City. A little bit more strength in Minneapolis. We're up 7 to 9 cents here. Both the U.S. dollar index and crude oil is slightly lower this morning. Lawmakers in Washington are being pressured to cut a deal to fund the federal government to avoid a shutdown here on Friday, March the 1st. Yesterday, speculative traders were net buyers pretty much across the ag space. And corn, they bought about 6,000 contracts. Only about 1,000 to 2,000 contracts everywhere else. Open interest across the board is in decline as traders roll out of the March contracts here ahead of first notice day on Thursday. South American weather is mostly favorable. Perhaps there's some growing concern over areas in west central parts of the country, a little bit too dry, this being Mato Grosso do Sul, Paraná, and western sections of Sao Paulo. Short term, this should benefit soybean harvest and their second crop corn plantings. However, rains will be needed as we get into March to restore soil moisture. Rains in Argentina this week to favor the northern growing regions. Better prospects for rain across the south here in week 2 of the outlook. Key to whether corn is able to sustain or add to yesterday's price strength will be how weather in South America pans out here over the next few months, particularly whether we continue to see monsoonal rains work their way into northern growing areas of Brazil through March and April. As we saw yesterday, for now, selling below the $4 level. 4-spot futures quickly dried up. Brazilian beans, right now the harvest is approaching the 50% level. Same with the first crop corn harvest. Their second corn crop plantings are now likely in beyond the 75 percentile pace. So we continue to see a wide range of production estimates coming out of Brazil. Part of yesterday's rebound, I think, also was stimulated by indications China did buy a number of cargoes of Brazilian soybeans along with Ukrainian corn, taking advantage of the recent price weakness. Much of the continental U.S. here has experienced much above normal temperatures, in some cases record temperatures, yesterday and today. Looks like we will quickly see temperatures drop dramatically here over the next 24 hours. February stands to be one of the warmest on record for many North American locations. Precipitation this week expected to favor the eastern corn belt. Jordan is tendering for 120,000 tons of wheat. Results are expected later here today. And yesterday afternoon, several U.S. states did report winter wheat crop conditions. Improvements were seen over most of the states that reported higher conditions in Kansas, Oklahoma, Texas, Montana, and South Dakota, with slight declines in Colorado and in Nebraska here. So higher across the board. We had March beans did dip under that 11.25 level here yesterday, and now today here we find ourselves back up to the 11.50 and did exceed that a touch here overnight. So we'll see if we can continue to see prices rebound here as we close out the month of February. We do get our normal usage data this week, and also we'll get some key bean oil capacity and production data here on Thursday, with month-end crush for soybeans and corn grind for ethanol production here after the close on Friday. So thanks for listening, everyone. I hope you have a wonderful day.